Encountered a PYD file in your Python installation or a package directory and wondering what it is? These are compiled Python extension modules that run at native speed. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's everything you need to know about Python dynamic modules. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical PYD data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. PYD files are Python dynamic module files, which are essentially Windows DLL files that contain compiled Python extension modules. They provide native code implementations of Python modules, written in C or C++, offering significantly faster execution than pure Python code for computationally intensive operations. PYD files are Python dynamic module files, which are essentially Windows DLL files that contain compiled Python extension modules. They provide native code implementations of Python modules, written in C or C++, offering significantly faster execution than pure Python code for computationally intensive operations. Generally, PYD files are associated with Python developed by Python Software Foundation. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows lacks support for plugin structures, so safe use requires applications that fully understand them. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the PYD file and choose Open With. Start with Python if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your PYD file is not opening yet, that is normal. A specialized format like PYD demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, import in Python. PYD files are used automatically by Python when you import a module. Place the PYD file in your Python path or site packages directory. In Python, simply use import module name, and the interpreter loads the PYD file just like any other module. No special handling is required for properly installed PYD extensions. Next, verify compatibility. If importing fails, ensure the PYD file matches your Python version and architecture. A PYD compiled for Python 3.9 64-bit will not load in Python 3.11 or 32-bit Python. Check the file name, which often includes the Python version tag like module, CP39, Win, AMD64 PYD, to confirm compatibility with your installation. Finally, inspect module contents. After successful import, use Python's built-in help and dir functions to explore the PYD module's contents. Run dir module name to list available functions and classes. Use help module name for documentation. For development purposes, the module's source code repository provides the C++ source that was compiled into the PYD. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.